Ano ba ang tawag sa di ko nga syota? Pero kayakap ko naman sa gabi.
Hindi talaga ako mahal ni Mix. Pag may camera, hindi niya ako mahal. Pero pag walang camera, mas sweet kami. Seryoso nga. Sweet si Mika sa akin pag walang camera. Low-key lang kami.
Wake up to sunshine, feel the breeze, calm birds sing a sweet light. Day feels like balm, walking with no stress. Easy path to run, green trees they confess. Peace in every home, sunshine days ahead. No more clouds or dread. Smiles in every thread. Happiness widespread. Lay on the soft grass, watch the sky so blue, moments that will last. World feels so true. Close your eyes, breathe in, feel the gentle spin. Nature's softest grin, life's a peaceful hymn. Sunshine days ahead. No more clouds or dread. Smiles in every thread. Happiness widespread. Lay on the soft grass, watch the sky so blue. Moments that will last, world feels so true. Close your eyes, breathe in, feel the gentle spin. Nature's softest grin, life's a peaceful hymn. Sunshine days ahead.
Walking on a midnight shore.
Training ka. Love scars, takot na akong masugatan. Mga dating luha ko ay napunasan. Buti na nga lang ay nagkakatamasan. Mga dating mag-isa ko pa nila
The next round.
Lagi akong kinukulit ni Joanna tsaka ni Stapo. Nakakainis na talaga. Ha? Ikaw lagi pupunta sa kwarto ko ng isolate.
Ay, sikretong malo.
Thank you, Franco, for the...
Ang ganda na siya. Bebe ko to eh.
Woke up today with the sun so high, birds singing soft in the clear blue sky. Breeze blows, gentle leaves dance by, feeling so good I can't deny. Coffee in my hands and a lazy smile, stepping out slow, taking my time. Neighbors wave and the world feels right, simple joys in this simple life. Sunshine and chill all day and night, feeling the love just soaking the light. No rush, no fuss, all easy and bright. Sunshine and chill makes everything right. Walking down streets where the laughter flows, kids playing games where the green grass sunshine and chill makes everything right. Feel the breeze on my face in this peaceful, sunny place. Birds are singing sweet and clear. All my worries disappear. Walking down this quiet street, everything feels so complete. It's a sunny day, oh yeah, oh yeah. Feel the joy that's in the air. Take my hand, let's run and play in this perfect sunny day. Flowers bloom beside the road. Life is light and not so cold. Swaying with the gentle trees. Life is full of simple ease. Close your eyes and breathe.
Accent.
Feel the warmth on your skin. In this moment, let's just be happy hearts and feeling free. It's a sunny day, oh yeah, oh yeah. Feel the breeze, the ocean's roar. Stars above, they paint the sky.
Stay with me on this road. Your designated travel coach. I wanna take you home, straight to the best.
Morning light, softly waking, birds are singing. World in motion, peace in heart, no mistaking. Breeze is gentle, trees are swaying. The sky is open, life is simple, no delaying. Sunshine smiles for miles and miles. Happy days and bright sun rays. Coffee brewing, windows open, friends together. Love is growing. Soft guitar strumming lightly, voices cheer, laughter's nearer. In this moment, hold it tightly. The sunshine smiles for miles and miles. Happy days and bright sun rays. Coffee brewing, windows open, friends together. Love is growing. Soft guitars strumming lightly, voices cheer, laughter's near. In this moment, hold it tightly. Sunshine smiles for miles and miles. Happy days and bright sun rays.
Nakita mo na, yes! Nakita ko yung mga hedgehog ni Mika. Ang cute. Pero nakakatakot eh. May picture pa nga ako eh. Wait lang. Natin ko. Wait. Si Daichi tsaka si, ano yung isa? Ano yung isa? Pangalan ng isa? I forgot the name. Kyoto. Wait lang. Na-delete ba yun? Na-delete ko ba? Wait lang. Ito. So cute. Ito si Daichi. Nakakatakot siya. Yung isa, yung Kyoto, yung white, nakakatakot kasi red yung mata.
Punta ka ba kay Stacy? I'll go there. Mga 11. Mga before. Basta when I end my life. Doon ka din mag-sleep? No. No, kasi like, Stacy goes here a lot rin kasi sa condo ko before, when she didn't have her condo. Lagi siyang tumatambay dito, you know. Malapit lang ba? Yeah, it's so near.
Bet she fuck with all my bros. So if I gotta choose someone, then it must be her. She been here since day one.
Galit ka? Galit ka? No! Ang bilis mag-acting.
Woke up with a smile, sunshine on my mind. Easy morning feel, leave your worries behind. Walking down the street, breeze so cool and sweet. Simple steps I take in the city beat. Feel the joy within, the day begin. Happiness and light, everything so bright. Park we played.
Stako, halika dito! Stako! Halika nga dito! Stako! Dali na! Diyan ka, papasok ka sa loob or dito ka, sa tabi ko? Ha? O, dito ka.